Hey there, welcome back to Positive Innovations. In today's video, we are going to talk about a super important topic for your Elementor sites, that is cache plugins. These are like magic wands, which will make your site smoother and faster. Stick around as we explore all the 6 cache plugin options designed specifically for Elementor. So let's get right in. Before we jump into discussing about these plugins, let's first understand why exactly they are essential. Well, imagine this, a slow loading website that frustrates its visitors. Nobody will like it, right? Now, cache plugins will come into picture. They will store static version of your web pages, making them load blazing fast. Remember, it's all about giving your user a better experience each time they visit your site. Now let's begin with the list of plugins we have. Let's start with Elementor Cloud Cache. This is more than just hosting. It's designed specifically for Elementor websites and comes with a built-in Cloudflare cache. It speeds up your site by storing content on servers worldwide, improving load times for users everywhere. Additionally, it enhances security with DDoS protection and SSL encryption. Plus, it seamlessly integrates with Elementor cloud hosting. It also makes sure your website loads faster by including Elementor Image Optimizer, which cuts down page load times significantly. Next up is NitroPack. This plugin is all about optimizing core web vitals, ensuring your site is fast and smooth, compatible with WordPress themes and Elementor. It makes setup a breeze. Also boasts a cache hit ratio over 90% thanks to its smart caching system. Additionally, NitroPack reduces file sizes, especially image sizes, that speeds up the loading times. Plus, it has features like cookie and device awareness and automatic cache warm-up. Moving on, we have Flying Press. Flying Press is designed for lightning fast speed, perfect for Elementor page builders. It introduces lazy rendering for Elementor sections, so elements only load when needed, just like lazy loading images. It enhances your site with page caching, cache preloading, and optimizing database by cleaning up database tables. Flying Press really lets you tailor your site's performance with all these smart cache management. Now, let's talk about WP Rocket. It's known for being super easy to use and packed with powerful optimization features. It seamlessly integrates with Elementor and other plugins, offering everything from page caching to gzip compression. WP Rocket also includes image and video lazy loading, make files lighter by CSS JavaScript minification, and optimizes database by running automatic cleanups, making your site faster and more streamlined. Talking about the 5th plugin now, that is WP Fastest Cache. WP Fastest Cache is simple yet effective. It generates static HTML files from your dynamic content, reducing server load and speeding up your site. Plus, it supports CDN, so your static files load faster from Cloudflare servers. You can exclude specific pages or user agents from caching, which is handy for things like login pages and shopping carts. The free version covers the basics, while the paid version adds extra features like mobile caching and image optimization. Last but definitely not the least, talking about Hummingbird. This all-in-one plugin boosts your site speed with asset optimization, deferred CSS, JavaScript loading, and a lot of other one-click optimizations. It also includes lazy load integration, so images and videos load only when needed, reducing data load speed and enhancing performance. Hummingbird makes optimizing your site a breeze with its user-friendly interface and powerful features. And there you have it, a rundown on the 6 best cache plugins for your Elementor sites. Each plugin has its own benefits and strength, so choose the one that suits your site's needs. Also, check this video's description for a link which will direct you to a blog where we have discussed about all these plugins features in depth. So don't forget to check it out. Besides that, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section and do drop a like if you found this video helpful. Also, subscribe to the channel for more such interesting WordPress videos coming ahead. Until next time, happy caching!